How to clear unit external certification in TCS Wings1 Step 2 Clearance Guide. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. So in this video we are discussing how to clear and how to get distinction in unit electives for getting digital or innovator cadre. Important note, for November 2024 cycle, unit external UE last date is 30 September and also domain learning completion, which is this one domain. This is also 30 September 2024. For May 25 cycle, last date not yet announced. For unit external certification, expected last date will be July 1st or 2nd week of 2025. So step 2 clearance strategy. In order to clear this step, we need to have some strategy. So first one is identify your project domain or business unit. So basically in TCS there are a lot of project domains are there, which is AI Cloud, BFSI, CBG, CMI, Corp, Cybersecurity, GCP, Google Cloud Platforms, Manufacturing, MFG, like that. So first of all, you need to identify your domain, your project domain, which project you are working. So for that, if you don't know project which belongs to which domain, so you need to connect with your TD or manager or supervisor in order to know your domain. So after knowing your domain, you need to go to 15205 for IT people and 15206 for ITIS. So most of the people are IT only, so I am going through 15205 course. After logging Ultimatics and going through the IUL learning and going through in the IUL dashboard, search on 15205. So click on here external certification guidelines. So click on enroll, go to course content. So unit Wings1 Unit certification list. First you need to know what are the certifications are provided by your unit. So for that you need to click on this launch course. So let us suppose we are belong to AI Cloud, so we need to click on AI Cloud. So after clicking AI Cloud, we can see number of certification which will be provided by our domain. So like Microsoft Power Platform Architect Expert certification and Enterprise Administration certification, Desktop Administrator, like these certifications are there. So AWS and GCP Databricks also there. So first of all, we need to identify one of the certification which we need to do. So for example, I am selecting Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate certification, which is the course ID is 14229. So you need to go to this link. I will provide link in description. This is a Microsoft certification blog link. So first of all, we need to enroll our certification. We need to do enrollment. For that, we need to clear step 1. Step 1 is we need to create or update our Microsoft Learning account. So I hope you haven't created a Microsoft Learning account. For that, you need to go to Chrome, click on Microsoft certification. Okay. After clicking on Microsoft Tech certifications, so here you need to create an account by clicking on register now. Register into this platform with your mail ID, like if your name is varun.beverages@tcs.com. so like that you need to create. So probably create this account on TCS only, like name.tcs.com. After creating an account, you need to study the course which you have selected. So you need to start your learning for this course. So we have selected Microsoft Certified Azure AI certification, so that we need to know what is this certification. It has a renewal frequency 12 months. It is valid for 1 year only. After 1 year you need to give exam. So this level of certification is intermediate level and role is AI engineer, and we need to prepare for this exam. For that we need to click on prepare for the exam. So if we click on prepare for the exam, we get modules, learning modules. We need to complete that. If you have done time or after learning of the modules, you need to click on practice for the exam. So if you click on practice for the exam, this window will appear. So here you need to practice the MCQ questions for exam readiness. Like 50 questions are there. In that 50 questions, you need to get 40 for 80%. So if you don't know answers, click on anything in the option provided and click on check your answer. So they will provide you the answer also. So you can attend the live sessions also. Sometimes the teachers will provide live sessions also. So after practicing test, you need to click on this. Either all teachers associates are eligible for 100% discount vouchers worth by $165. Available scoring more than 80% in practice test, and fill any of the below forms. Either you can choose Microsoft Forms or Google Forms. So in the practice test you need to get 80%. Screenshot that 80% scored page and fill this form and upload this in these forms with your details. Note: vouchers will be released every Monday and Thursdays. Maximum of 2 vouchers will be given to a learner at any point of time. Steps to get voucher. So voucher they will directly send to your mail ID. There is no problem on that. After getting voucher, you need to register for the exam. So you need to schedule for the exam. Click on this link and you have to select your desired date and time, and then you need to give examination. So examination for exam, there are two options. One is offline and another one is online. You can select any of the provided two options according to you. And after clearance of certification, post certification, you need to follow the below steps to upload your certificate in iWall and get it approved by CVO. So first of all, you need to go to Ultimatics, Learning and Collaboration, and then iWall, and then Learning Portal. Go to My Learnings and click on Tab Certification. Search for the certification ID. So we have discussed already, the ID will be provided for each certification, or certification name also included in that. So click on Mark Acquired on top right corner. It will display a pop-up message box. Mark Acquired request will have no reimbursement. Click on Proceed on the pop-up message box. Fill the necessary details. Upload the completion certificate. Upload the completion certificate soft copy in remarks section. Mention request without reimbursement voucher received after completion of certification training program and submit. The request will be reviewed and approved by the CVO, Certification Verification Officer. Please mark the certification as acquired. So this is the process. So now we will discuss main exam pattern. So main exam has 50 questions. Duration is 1 hour or 60 minutes. Pass marks will be 75 to 80%. That means you need to get 38 to 40 marks in the 50 questions. So exam centers are Microsoft or TCS associate centers. Work from option is also allowed here for these exams. So this is all about how to clear step 2 unit electives for achieving digital cadre. So if you have any doubts, ping your doubts in comment section. I will try to reply that. And thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share. We will meet in another super latest video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.